Okay, welcome to Hidden Syntax Code. Today we like to teach you how to use C++ code to play a video from your PC. Okay, so before you start, you will include your windows.h library. So you will type #include windows.h library on the top of your code, and after that you type int main bracket open, and you bring curly bracket. So we are going to create a pointer that will hold the address of our video path. So you type const keyword first. So you type const, and we come and write your data type to be car, and you bring your asterisk sign, and we come and write your pointer name, and going to be video path, and you bring equal to. So you go to your directory and go and look for your video path. So I'll go to the file explorer and I'll right click this video and go and click on the copy as path, and later I'll come back to my text editor. So after that I will paste it, and I'll bring my semicolon. So when you finish it, you see that the path you copied it and pasted it, the backslash is single, so you make it double first. You add another backslash to it, and you add another backslash, and add another backslash, and you add another backslash too. So after that you type shell execute, and you bring your bracket, and you type now comma, and you bring your double quote, and you type open, and you bring another double quote. After that you bring comma. So when you finish it, you bring your video path, that was your variable name. So our video path, and after that we type now, and you bring comma. After that we type another now too. So when you finish it, you come and type sw underscore show, and you terminate it with you terminate your bracket close with your semicolon. So when you finish, you come and type return, return 0, and you bring another semicolon. So you will build it and find if there is an error, and after that you will run it. So you see that your video has opened for you. Thank you. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for us.